Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we are making Instant Pot chicken chili. The Instant Pot is my favorite way to make soups and chilies because they come together so quickly and they have such great flavor. This one has less than 10 ingredients and only one of them has to be chopped, which cuts down big time on your prep. It's also great for prepping ahead and just storing the Instant Pot liner in the fridge overnight. And then the next day before dinner, you can pop it in, turn it on, and dinner is ready in about 20 minutes. Perfect for those crazy days or even game day. We're gonna start by adding our chicken breasts into the Instant Pot, followed by our beans, our corn, our onion, our chicken broth, green chilies, salt, and chili powder. So now that everything is in here and we gave it a little stir, I'm just gonna put the lid on, turn the valve to sealing, and select manual or pressure cook for 10 minutes. So now that our Instant Pot is done cooking and I have let it naturally release the pressure for about 10 minutes, we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna use 2 forks just to pull apart my chicken into nice big shreds. Then I'm going to stir in the cream cheese to make it nice and thick and creamy. So that's all there is to my Instant Pot white chicken chili. You can get fancy with the toppings if you like. You can add sour cream, jalapenos, chips, croutons, lime wedges, whatever you like. I like mine with just a sprinkling of cheese and a big bowl of chips for dunking. For more recipe videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm putting a new one out every week. See you next week.